I don't mean to offend anybody, create some issues with this song. It's a sensitive topic, but these are the top 10 coolest birds. God fucking damn it! I love Eagles! They're so fucking cool! You know what the fucking cool birds do? Fucking hawks! You know what else is badass as fuck? Penguins! All they do is walk around and eat fucking weird fish. They're fucking awesome! They're fucking so cool! God damn it, I love penguins! Have you ever seen a goddamn owl? They're crazy! Look at their eyes! They know something you don't know, but I know. They know more than any of us combined. Everyone a sweet, sweet premiere. Because, and then you fucking feel like you want that kind of hell. They're fucking insane. Have you ever seen a penguin? They're like growlers, but bigger and smarter. It's badass. And then we have crows. Crows are pretty cool. Crows hang out like around my house. They're really loud, but like they're smart. And like they're kind of cool, I guess. Fucking crows are alright. What the fucking emus? Have you seen an emu? They are insane. They are the best version of the fucking ostrich. Emus are badass. You can ride an emu into battle and kill them. Emus are amazing. And don't listen for this. Oh no, my fucking skeleton! Oh, look at that fucking beak! Look at the beak! It is insane! Look at the fucking cruise! And then to wrap up the list, we have flamingos. Flamingos are pretty cool. They're like pink, they're brown. I think there's some like black ones too. They're pretty cool. They still have one leg and they look pretty and like they're cool, but it's kind of it. Those are like 10 cool birds. I really hope you like that, cause I like birds too. I like birds. I like birds. No, I like birds. No, 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 no. Hey, yo, bro, can you rate my bird 1 out of 10? Can you rate my bird 1 out of 10? I rate your bird a 2. My bird is better than a 20 fucking game that you shot. Look at my bird one more time. It is at least a 6. My bird is at least a 6. Out of 10. That's about it.
Wow. Wow.
Birds, do you like?
That was a good song about birds. Birds are pretty cool.
That's probably the best song about birds I've ever heard.
Yeah,